Delta 9, Charlie Kilo Bravo.
Roger, what's the name there?
Name is Jay, Juliet Alpha Yankee.
Roger, Jay, and whereabouts are you, sir?
We are in central Wisconsin. Sounding good today.
Roger, I just went for an SDR, but I couldn't find anything, so I'll stay on my local antenna. What radio are you running, sir?
This is ICOM 7200. It's kind of a backup radio, and I just put a piece of wire up outside there just to have something back up for winter here in case the main antennas go down there. So just trying it out today.
Roger, well, what I can hear of it, it sounds pretty good. Roger, Roger.
That's what I wanted to hear. It's just a 58-foot long piece of wire there and 100 watts and just a radio with the stock mic. So that's all we're doing today.
Roger, Roger. Well, it's making the trip, and so I'd be suspect of changing anything too much until you've got the ability to put up a real good antenna. Roger.
Roger that. Yep, we thank you for the report. So we're just trying to get in there and make sure we're making the trip and everything's working okay.
Roger, Roger. What was the name again?
Yeah, Jay, Juliet Alpha Yankee.
Roger, Jay. If you want to hear what your radio sounds like, in a couple of days, go to YouTube and do a call letter search for Kilo Charlie 9, Victor Kilo Victor, and that will take you to our Qso-Vlog page, and you'll be looking for a QSO entitled My Group Air Check 11-15-19, today's date. My Group Air Check 11-15-19. Roger?
Roger that. I will go and check it out. That should be pretty interesting to see.
Roger. We should be able to post that within the next couple of days. So 3's that way, and it is now a couple of minutes after 5, and we have turned into a pumpkin. So while I can still speak, I'll say 3's to all. Thanks for your involvement and checking in. And if you go to YouTube and do that call letter search, KC9VKV, you'll be able to access the Qso-Vlog entitled My Group Air Check 11-15-19, today's date 11-15-19, and we'll have it posted within the next couple of days. So right now, this is Jim, KC9VKV. We'll say 3's all, and we're clear.